Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and earn Expedia points? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, let me explain to you what Expedia offers. They offer a one key cash, which is going to be a reward system that they have on their platform. So all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and earn these points is go ahead and click on your profile icon. Make sure that you're logged in into your account and click on view reward activity. Once you've clicked on that, as you can see, it's going to show you a bunch of tasks that you can go ahead and follow. So as you can see, the first thing that you can do is right over here. So simply collect 5 trip elements this year to unlock silver tier, and these are the benefits you can get. So 10% more, earn and use 1 key cash on eligible bookings on Expedia. Also, if you want to understand what 1 key is, once you get the membership, you can simply go ahead and get more rewards as well. So as you can see, it is $1 in 1 key cash is $1 to use on an eligible hotel, car rental, flights, and more. And you can simply go ahead and earn it by exploring and getting more travel. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.